Unite with Land Matters and a group of civil society organizations are now demanding the immediate resignation of the 8 commissioners in the National Land Commission over alleged gross misconduct and corruption dealings in the land sector. The groups claim that they have enough evidence linking the remaining commissioners to corruption and have issued an ultimatum of 30 days for the commissioners to leave office or face a petition in Parliament for their removal. KTN's senior political affairs reporter Chris Thairo begins our broadcast this Sunday night.
A week after the besieged National Land Commission chairman Mohammed Chazuri was charged in court for allegedly conspiring to pay 221 million shillings as compensation for public land that was irregularly acquired, a coalition of civil society organizations have come out to push for the resignation of the rest of the commissioners in the Land Commission on grounds that they are also tainted.
We are writing to the individual commissioners, 2 in particular, on whom we have overwhelming evidence, and we are going to give them 30 days period, within which, if they choose to take the safe path of what we are calling dignified exit, we will not make this information public.
We are giving them a chance to exit, which is the normal house. If you feel information against you is overwhelming, the rightful thing in a civilized society is resignation.
According to the organizations, the rest of the commissioners should be investigated for land dealings and lease renewals, including those of Mombasa Cement, Kakuzi Limited, the National Housing Corporation, a location in Embakasi, and Mwamdudu Primary School on the Dongo Kundu bypass.
We also have a list of commissioners who were allocated houses under in the National Housing Corporation scheme in Embakasi. And we do suggest that looking at the list, there is no way, for example, one commissioner can get more than one house if the houses were allocated mainly for residential purposes.
These public officers and a section of staff members have continued to breach their mandate and caused a mockery of the very constitution that breathed life to their existence as an institution. At this point in time, hard questions must be asked.
We have evidence and we are sharing it with responsible other agencies, state agencies. It's not that information is being held back.
In Chapter 15 of the Constitution, the National Land Commission is listed among the 10 independent constitutional commissions whose removal of its members must be subjected through a tribunal formed by the President.
We have recently received requests from community groups and individuals who have details against several commissioners and with the intention to petition Parliament for the removal of the commissioners of NLC.
With the NLC chairman Mohammed Chazuri barred from office until his case is heard and determined, the vice chair Abigail Mokolwe was appointed to the chair position on an acting capacity. The remaining commissioners have already dismissed reports that they are culpable of corruption and assured the public of delivering on their mandate as per the Constitution. Chris Thairo, KTN News.